5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go racing, boys and Isabel. Out of turn 2, it's Anthony and Mason. 1, 2. Into 3 and 4. Mason Olson will take the lead, but here comes Cody Church side by side at the end of lap 1. Olson leads into turn 1. Olson keeps the lead. Mason Olson will lead lap 2. Cody Church second. Wagner third. Move Anthony to second as Olson continues to show the way. Olson leads. Here goes Cody Church for second, and he's got it. Five laps to go for Mason Olson. And Cody Church has found a block. Olson leads. 4 laps to go. Mason Olson continues to lead. Mason Olson leads. Out of turn 4 to 1 lap to go for Mason Olson. Into turns 1 and 2 for Mason Olson. Here is the 6-7 by the grandstand into 3 and 4. And Mason Olson goes bell to bell at the Fix-It Forward Speedway. Wagner, 1 lap to go. Anthony Wagner, ladies and gentlemen, into turns 3 and 4, and he will come home second. And all she has to do is get back to Josh Stock, and Isabel will go home third. Let her hear you, Fargo. Cheer her home, ladies and gentlemen. She will go home with $100 and a memory that will last a lifetime. Make some noise for the Autocross, Fargo.